Did you know Google Plus now offers embedded posts? These are very similar to what you see from Facebook, Twitter, Vine, and a host of other social networks. So how do you embed a Google Plus post? It's rather simple. Step one, let's head to our Google Plus account and find a post that we want to embed. Here, you want to click the options menu in the right-hand corner of a post and select embed post. So that's step one. Step two, let's copy the code that pops up in the embed post box and head over to our blog. So if you happen to run a WordPress blog, for instance, I use StudioPress Genesis for all my development, you want to take the first snippet of code, it's a script, and you need to put it in the header and footer section of your blog. Step three, let's take the second part of that code and go create a blog post. Now make sure you are in the text editor, otherwise this won't work. So all you have to do now is paste the second piece of the code into your blog editor, and we've actually added an additional div on the outside. This is div align equals center. This way our post will show up in the middle of our post as opposed to being left aligned. When you're finished, make sure you leave it in text and select publish. So what does this new Google Plus embedded post look like? Here we go. So this is a Google Plus embedded post. As you can see here, there's a lot of really great things that are actually happening. So you're not just showing me, a link that I have to click off to go off to Google Plus. Everything is happening right there in my blog post. For example, I can click and find out who the author is. I can add them to a circle. I can actually play his video. I can +1 it. However, my favorite feature, I can comment and +1 on comments right from within my blog. Now, this might actually take some of your commenting away on your blog. However, this is a very beneficial feature because it helps contain everything in one place. It helps attribute it back to the author that actually wrote this, as opposed to actually having to, quote that person. Now you can actually let people know who they are. So that's it, guys. That's how to use Google Plus embedded posts. Overall, I think it's a really awesome feature. I actually think they one-upped Facebook and Twitter and Vine and any of the other social networks because of some of that added functionality like commenting. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to leave a comment below. As always, thanks for watching.